What up, what up, what up, what up? Today I'm working on a 2011 Gmc Arcadia, and I am changing the brake light switch. Because what's happening when they press the brake pedal, the brake light is staying on, and the switch is not snapping back like it need to. So all you need to change this is right under your dash, right by your brake light. All you need is a 7mm socket. I don't have that socket right now, so I have a 7mm wrench. As you can see it's a little shiny, but you know, see, 7mm wrench. See, if I had the socket, it would come off a little faster, but I don't. Ain't nothing I can do about that. Hold on. Bear with me. I'm trying to get that thing out. This should be tricky. These little ass boats be a little tricky, you feel what I'm saying? It's hard to get that spin on them. But once you do that, you unplug it and you put the new one in. So all you need is a 7mm socket or a 7mm wrench. And if you can get it to where it's a little unloose, you could turn it by hand, you feel me? It's just turning slow for me, man. I'm trying to get a good focus, y'all can see. And I would have grabbed the socket, but my socket a little warped, so which means if you got a socket and it's warped, it's not gonna grab on, it's gonna strip the little bolt, and you don't want that to strip, and it takes forever to really get it off. You feel? So like I said, a 7mm socket or wrench. Yeah, don't worry about my fingernails, I work hard. As y'all can see, it is loose though, but it's just a little bit tedious right now because it's a little ass fucking bolt. Just fighting me, yeah, man. Hold on. Oh, let me see if I get the phone to focus where y'all can still see. You feel what I'm saying? Let me see. Okay, y'all can still see. Yeah. Alright, that did it. And on this same 2011 Arcadia, I changed the compressor. That's a real time-consuming job. I can't really show that too tough. And I changed the power steering pressure line. I said these little bolts will piss you off though, you feel what I'm saying? It don't really take long, it don't take much to do it. To do the job, it's just this bolt is little and I'm in a little confined space. So, all you gotta do is twist the 7 off like I said. And once you can get it where it's a little bit loose, you can get it by hand. If you can get it by hand, you keep twisting. Y'all already know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And then bada boom. Bada bing, the new sensor is in. Now I'm gonna try to get this little motherfucker up out my way so I can get to the next car, you feel me? But like I said, I am changing the brake light switch sensor. That's the old one, it's still in, as y'all can see. And here's the new one, you feel me? Other than that, shit ain't nothing but a good maybe 10 minutes and out and you in there. Once again, this is on a 2011 GMC Arcadia brake light switch. I'll holler at y'all a little later. Y'all be easy though. Deuces.